Okay. I just wanted to share. This is Justin who messaged me. I just want to share that making music videos and other visual arts is one of the main reasons I pursued this career, because I know that I'll be able to showcase my creativity through music. So thank you so much, 18 and Maisan, for loving the surreal music video, my firstborn, haha. And of course, to the small team we had for this MV, you know who you are, guys. Shout out to Sayan, who's been my creative tandem, Sony Music, and 1Z. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations to
on behalf of Stel, we'd like to accept this award. I'd like to thank all the fans as well, 18 and everyone who's been voting. Salamat sa lahat. Thank you.
People's Voice Awards for Breakthrough Artist. The award goes to... Once again, it's Stel! So on behalf of Stel, I think SB19!
10:30 to Lapa, we would like to thank 1Z Entertainment, syempre SB19 and Sony Music, and sa mga kasama kong artists sa paggawa ng cover art, Miko and Mako Pasero. Thank you po.
Luke Gabriel Esnani and Philip John Susan.
Let's go, Luke!
I'll be accepting this award on behalf of Philippe. Couldn't be here, but thank you guys so much. Shout out to Warner, shout out to Monastery, shout out to Dynamic Balabiab. This is crazy. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Hello po, I'm Alan Shi, the director of Kalakal po. Thank you po, 1Z Entertainment, SB19, with awards powered by Vibe, and also 18, thank you so much! Emma Sintaga and Sir Black Knight, thank you po.
All right. For Best Global Recording Award, the award goes to... Moonlight by Ian Asher, SB19, and Terry Zong.
For the Best Global Collaboration Recording for Moonlight.
Yep. This sound brought together incredible artists, producers, and teams, from Terry Zong to Ian Asher and everyone behind it.
It truly shows the power of music to connect us across borders and cultures.
A huge thank you to everyone who believed in this vision, and of course to our 18 for your constant support, and to our amazing collaborators. This award belongs to all of you.
Music is universal, and tonight is proof that when we come together, beautiful things happen. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hello po, ako si Mama Sony. I'm accepting this award on behalf of Pablo and his brother Josue, otherwise known as Brad Kids. Sila po ang isa sa pinakatalentadong songwriter, producer teams sa buong bansa ngayon. Maraming salamat, Vibe. Maraming salamat, Awit Awards. So Justin has a special message for all of you. I'm just so grateful po to be receiving this award because Kaibigan is the very first song I was able to finish. And I did not expect it to be what it is right now. Thank you so much, Rad Kids, for making this song much better. Sony Music for helping Kaibigan reach people. 1Z Entertainment, the people behind all these. SB Boys sa pang-aalaska nyo. And of course, 18 and Maisan. Sa lahat ng effort at pagmamahal. Maraming salamat po, you guys. You deserve this.
It goes to Philip.